What's up, guys? Um, so I wanted to talk about this. I've been being still, silent prayer, doing that for a while, and the more I like see in myself that's wrong, the more I grow, the more I see in myself that's wrong. It's like peeling back into layers to an onion, bro. Like I get better at something, and then it's like, okay, you have this, and this to work on. It's like I'm not. That's just the way it is. But I think that's a sign that you're growing because I feel like if you think, oh, I don't have anything to work on, you're not in a good place because it's like we always have some stuff to work on, and God works on our hearts constantly. Um, I don't know. I just thought that was interesting. So if you're if you're like starting to improve, doing stillness, doing silent prayer, um, just know that you're gonna be more aware. So with that awareness comes other things that God shines light on. You need to work on this. You need to work on this. Whatever. He doesn't say it like that, but he's just like you just stand at different things you need to work on. So it's like just he gives you awareness. He gives you illumination. He gives you light. What does light do? It shine. It what does it do? Like it makes you it lets you see things, right? Like see around you, like where you want to go, what you want to do, whatever. So, anyways,